Hello everyone, hope you all are good. Because of the occasion of Diwali, we all are busy. So after a long break, we again start with our study of class 10th, chapter 13, that is magnetic effect of electric current. In my last lecture, I just discussed about the simple electric motor. Now beta, in case of simple electric motor, if we use the commercial electric motor, then what is the difference? Note down the commercial motor the commercial motor use first point is an electromagnet in place of a permanent magnet. First is an electromagnet in place of permanent magnet. Second point is large number of turns of conducting wire in the current carrying coil. Large number of turns, large number of turns of conducting wire in the current carrying coil. Of the conducting wire in current carrying coil. Third point is, note down, a soft iron core on which the coil is wound. A soft iron core on which the coil is wound. Fourth point is the soft iron core, the soft iron core on which the coil is wound. On which the coil is wound plus the coil is called plus the coil is called armature. That is armature. Underline armature. That is commercial motor. Thus, it enhances the power of motor. आर्मेचर क्या करता है बेटा? इट enhances the, means to say that increase. It enhances, ब्रैकेट में आप लिख लो increase the power of motor. the power of motor. We repeat again all points. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सिंपल इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर में हमने डिस्कस किया था ऑल अबाउट द इंफॉर्मेशन. कमर्शियल मोटर अगर उसकी जगह पे आ जाता है तो उस केस में जो रिप्लेसमेंट होगी, पहली रिप्लेसमेंट क्या है, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट. सिंपल मोटर में क्या यूज कर रहे हो आप, परमानेंट मैग्नेट, बट इन केस ऑफ कमर्शियल मोटर यू यूज द इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट. You just well known about the electromagnet. Second point, large number of turns of the conducting wire means to say that number of turns क्या होगी, increase हो गई. Third point, a soft iron core जिसपे आपका coil क्या है, wound किया हुआ है, हिंदी में अगर कहें तो लपेटा हुआ है. The soft iron core और जिसपे coil है आपका wound किया हुआ, उसको combine क्या कहते हैं, armature. ये क्या करता है, मोटर की पावर को इंक्रीज कर देता है. नोट डाउन द पॉइंट, देन वी अगेन कंटिन्यू विद आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. ओके, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है बच्चे आपका इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर. राइट डाउन इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर. This topic is reduced from the syllabus of CBSE due to the COVID-19 situation. So just discuss for the sake of knowledge, that is electric generator. Means to say that आपने अभी ये टॉपिक इस सेशन के लिए नहीं करना. नोट डाउन बच्चे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर, जनरेटर क्या है, राइट डाउन द इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर इज अ डिवाइस, और इट इज अ डिवाइस, इट इज अ डिवाइस which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy, which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. नोट डाउन बच्चे. और it produces electric current or electricity. It produces electric current or electricity. Note down. Next is a small generator. A small generator is called dynamo. Is called dynamo. Generators are of two types. Generators are of two types. First one is AC generator. First one is AC generator. Second is DC generator. You well known about the AC or DC. AC, that is alternating current generator. Alternating current generator. And DC is direct current generator. DC is direct current generator. Note down, bachcho. Okay. Now first we start with the AC generator. Note down. AC generator. That is your alternating current generator. First of all, principle बच्चे, principle write down. AC generator depends on, or AC generator works on the principle, works on the principle. Principle means to say that here सिद्धांत. हिंदी में अगर उसका वर्ड मीनिंग आप लोगे, मीनिंग लोगे, दैट इज सिद्धांत. किस सिद्धांत पे वो काम करता है? सो एसी जनरेटर वर्क्स ऑन द प्रिंसिपल that when a conductor is moving, when a conductor is moving in a magnetic field, in a magnetic field, then current is induced, then current is induced in the conductor, in the, note down the principle, then we carry on the construction of generator. Okay. Next is construction of an AC generator. Construction of an AC generator. First of all, draw the diagram. There are two magnetic fields. Here, just draw the diagram, beta. There are two poles. First one is north, second is south. North and south, a rectangular coil ABCD is placed in a magnetic field that is attached to an axle. Now here complete ring R1 and R2. First you connect this with, second is this. Now from here you just connect with the galvanometer, or here is a key, or just draw the galvanometer. That is A, B, C or D. And rings R1 and R2. These are the rings R1 and this one is the R2. Here brushes, that are the brushes B1, and this one is attached brushes B2. Draw the diagram, बच्चे. Now just draw the direction of current, that is this one. Now here, in brief, we just discuss the construction. A rectangular coil ABCD, it consists of, write down, it consists of a rectangular coil ABCD placed between the two poles of permanent magnet. Placed between the two poles of permanent magnet. Permanent magnet. Next is the two ends of the coil. The two ends of the coil, these are the two ends of the coil, are connected to rings R1 and R2. It is clear from the diagram that is two ends of the wire here and here, rings connected to rings R1 and R2. Note down. Next is inner side of the rings are inner side of the rings are insulated. Note down the chain. Next is two brushes B1 and B2 and B2 are kept or pressed separately on rings R1 and R2. R1 and R2. Here are the brushes B1 and this one is the brush B2. Note down the chain. Now जो ये रिंग्स हैं बेटा आपकी द टू रिंग्स नोट डाउन द टू rings internally attached to an axle internally attached to an axle. Now basically हम इस एक्सल को ही रोटेट करते हैं with the help of outer source. उसकी वजह से कॉइल क्या होता है, कंडक्टर क्या होता है, मूव होना स्टार्ट होता है इन द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड और आपका करंट फ्लो करना स्टार्ट करता है. Write down the axle may be rotated from outside. The axle may be rotated mechanically from outside to rotate the coil internally. To rotate the coil internally in magnetic field. In magnetic field. Note down the chain. Last is outer end of the brushes B1 and B2 are connected to galvanometer. Outer end of brushes are connected to galvanometer. You just well known about the galvanometer to show the flow of current in the given electric circuit. To show the flow of current in the given electric circuit. In the given electric Note down बच्चे. This one is a construction. I just repeat again. You just see in the diagram. It consists of a rectangular coil A, B, C, D placed in or placed between the two poles of magnet, permanent magnet, north and south. Now, the two ends of the coil, these are the ends. Here is the first end, here is the second. Two ends of the coil are connected to rings R1 and R2. Then inner side जो आपका रिंग्स का है वो इंसुलेटेड है. टू ब्रशेस kept pressed separately. यहाँ पे दो ब्रश बच्चे प्रोवाइड किए गए हैं रिंग के साथ B1 एंड B2. R2 के साथ आपका B2 है, R1 के साथ आपका B1. अब बच्चे बेसिकली क्या करते हैं, टू रिंग्स क्या हैं, एक्सल के साथ अटैच है. दिस वन इज योर एक्सल. अब बेसिकली हम क्या करते हैं, एक्सल को रोटेट करते हैं फ्रॉम आउटसाइड मैकेनिकली और उसकी वजह से कॉइल आपका रोटेट होता है. और फर्दर जो आपकी ये कॉइल है वो किससे अटैच है, गैल्वेनोमीटर से, जो क्या करता है, करंट की प्रेजेंस को शो कर देता है. नोट डाउन द कंस्ट्रक्शन बच्चे. Okay, this is the construction. Now we discuss about the working of AC generator. Now here just change working of an AC generator. Working of an AC generator. Now बच्चे आपका फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एक्सल रोटेट होता है. Suppose in this case when the axle attached to two rings is rotated, जब आपका एक्सल क्या हुआ, रोटेट होना स्टार्ट हुआ, that is from outside. Write down, when axle is rotated, when axle is rotated attached to two rings, attached to two rings in such a way or such that arm AB moves up and arm CD moves down. Arm AB moves up and arm CD moves down. In the magnetic field, in the magnetic field produced by permanent magnet, produced by permanent magnet, Now बच्चे we assume that or we suppose that coil ABCD is rotated clockwise. Let us say that coil ABCD is rotated clockwise. Here is an important point. Coil ABCD rotated clockwise. Note down. So by applying Fleming's right hand rule, the induced current not on much, the induced current are set up in these arms along the direction along the directions AB and CD. Along the direction AB and CD. Note down बच्चे. Now induced current कौन सी डायरेक्शन में फ्लो कर गया बच्चे? ए बी सी डी. इंड्यूस करंट फ्लोज ए बी सी डी. नोट डाउन बच्चे. So the induced current flows in direction A B C D. In direction A B C D. और इस केस में अगर नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स ज्यादा है तो बच्चे हर केस में करंट क्या होता जाएगा? आपका एडअप होता जाएगा. So note down, if there are large number of turns in the coil, the current generated in each turn adds up to give a large current. Note down बच्चे. And this means that current in the external circuit flows from V2 to V1. Write down. This means that current in the external circuit flows from B2 to B1. B2 to B1. Note down बच्चे. तो जस्ट रिपीट अगेन. अब जब बच्चे आपका एक्सल रोटेट करना स्टार्ट कर गया जो कि टू रिंग्स के साथ अटैच्ड है, मींस टू से दैट आपने सपोज कर लिया कि आर्म ए बी मूव्स अप एंड आर्म सी डी मूव्स डाउन. जो आपका आर्म ए बी है वो मूव्स अप और आर्म सी डी जो आपका है मूव्स डाउन. नाउ जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस बाय परमानेंट मैग्नेट, अब हमने सपोज कर लिया कि एबीसीडी में जो आपका मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है और करंट है दैट इज रोटेटेड, और जो आपका कॉइल है एबीसीडी वो कैसे रोटेट कर रहा है, दैट रोटेटेड क्लॉकवाइज. अब जब बच्चे फ्लेमिंग्स राइट हैंड रूल अप्लाई किया, सो इंड्यूस करंट आपका अलोंग द डायरेक्शन ए बी एंड सी डी, मीन्स टू से दैट ए बी सी डी करंट फ्लो कर गया. अब अगर लार्ज नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स है इस कॉइल में तो हर टर्न में करंट क्या होता जाएगा, एड्स अप होता जाएगा और आपको एक लार्ज करंट की वैल्यू ऑब्टेन हो जाएगी. और जो आपका एक्सटर्नल सर्किट में है वो करंट कहां से फ्लो करेगा, सपोज B2 टू B1, हियर B2 टू B1 एक्सटर्नल, दिस वन इज एक्सटर्नल B2 टू ब्रश B1. नोट डाउन द थिंग. देन वी कंटिन्यू विद द वर्किंग. Okay. So we continue with the working. After half rotation, note down बच्चे, after half rotation. अब बच्चे जब आपकी हाफ रोटेशन कंप्लीट हो गई तो आर्म सीडी क्या हो जाएगा आपका, स्टार्ट्स मूविंग अप. आर्म सीडी स्टार्ट्स मूविंग अप and arm AB starts moving down, and arm AB starts moving down. नाउ बच्चे आपका इस केस में इंड्यूस करंट जो है उसकी डायरेक्शन क्या हुई, चेंज हुई. सो डायरेक्शन ऑफ induced current in both arms changes, means to say that आपका डायरेक्शन ऑफ इंड्यूस करंट क्या हो गया, दैट इज DCBA. So it give rise to the direction of induced current, or it give rise to direction of induced current in DCBA. फर्स्ट आपका ABCD था, अब आपका हाफ रोटेशन पे क्या हो गया, DCBA. नोट डाउन बच्चे. और आपका जो करंट है एक्सटर्नल सर्किट में, नोट डाउन द करंट in external circuit, in external circuit flows from B1 to B2. पहले आपका ABCD था, उस टाइम पे आपका एक्सटर्नल क्या था, B2 टू B1. जब आपका रोटेट हुआ हाफ रोटेशन पे सब कुछ चेंज हो जाएगा, दैट इज करंट का डायरेक्शन भी चेंज हो जाएगा और आपकी रोटेशन भी चेंज हो जाएगी, दैट इज DCBA. और जो एक्सटर्नल है आपका वो कहां से फ्लो कर जाएगा, दैट इज फ्रॉम B1 टू B2. Note down. Thus after every half rotation, thus after every half rotation, thus after every half rotation, the polarity of current in the respective arms changes. The polarity of current in respective arms changes, and this current is called alternating current. Note down, such a current which changes direction after equal intervals of time, which changes direction after equal intervals of time, after equal intervals of time is called alternating current. So this is all about the working of AC generator. Note down बच्चे. Okay. Now some basic information about AC current. Note down बच्चे, that is not included in the AC generator. Just AC current के बारे में कुछ basic information बच्चे. जो आपका alternating current है इंडिया में प्रोड्यूस होता है, has a frequency of 50 Hz. Note down, the alternating current or AC produced in India has a frequency of in India has a frequency of 50 Hz, Hz. Here I use the word Hz, that represent hertz. That is the unit of frequency. This means that आपका coil जो है वो rotate करेगा at the rate of 50 revolution per second. Means to say that 50 hertz means to say that coil rotate 50 revolution, or coil is rotated at the rate of 50 revolution per second. अब बच्चे आपने टॉपिक में रीड कर लिया कि करंट जो है आपका एक रेवोल्यूशन में 2 टाइम्स डायरेक्शन चेंज करता है. करंट जो है आपका 1 रेवोल्यूशन में 2 टाइम्स डायरेक्शन चेंज कर रहा है. सो 50 रेवोल्यूशन में कितना हो गया बच्चे? इट चेंजेस फॉर 100 टाइम्स, दैट इज 2 into 50. 2 into 50, 100 times. Note down बच्चे. Okay. Now बच्चे आपका एसी जनरेटर कहाँ यूज होता है? दैट आर यूज्ड इन द पावर हाउस स्टेशंस. एसी जनरेटर्स are used in powerhouse stations. Powerhouse stations to generate electricity. To generate electricity. Which is supplied to our homes. Which is supplied to our homes. Note down बच्चे. Another name of AC generator is alternators. AC generator are commonly known as alternators. The bicycle dynamos are small AC generator. No down बच्चे. Okay. Now here बच्चे we just describe the simple AC generator. In practical generators, the voltage and the current produced can be increased. Here we just describe simple AC generator if we use practical generators in, note down, practical generators, we increase voltage, we increase voltage and the current, we increase voltage and current. और बच्चे वो कैसे इंक्रीज कर सकते हो? नोट डाउन, फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज by using a powerful electromagnet, by using a powerful electromagnet. Note down, second is by winding a coil, by winding a coil around soft iron core, soft iron core. Note down बच्चे, to increase the strength of magnetic field, to increase the strength of magnetic field. Third is by using a coil with more turns, by using a coil with more turns. Note down. Fourth is by rotating the coil faster, by rotating the coil faster. So by using all these, we just increase the voltage and current in practical generators or practical AC generators. Note down बच्चे. Okay. Now next is DC generator. Next is DC generator. Note down बच्चे. The difference is that to get a direct current, a split ring commutator must be used. DC generator में जो आपकी ये rings हैं R1 and R2, here we just use the split rings commutator. Split rings commutator. आप split ring commutators की working in motor I just describe, you just see there in the motor. By using split rings commutator, you get the direct current. You get the direct current. I repeat again, In case of rings R1 and R2, you just use split rings commutator. So it converted to the DC generator. Note down logic. Next note down, one brush is at all times in contact with the arm, in contact with the arm moving, in contact with the arm moving up in the field, moving up in the field, while the other is in contact with the arm moving down, while the other is in contact with arm moving down, with arm moving down. Note down मुझे. So this is all about the DC generator. You just use split rings commutator. We just see the working of split ring commutator in the case of electric motor. You go there, you just well understood about the working of split rings commutator. I again repeat, split rings commutator are used to get the direct current in case of rings R1 and R2. Note down the check. Okay. So this is all about the AC generator and DC generator. Next topic is domestic electric circuit. Note down, domestic electric circuit. So this is the last topic of this chapter, number 13, that is magnetic effect of electric current. We discuss it in the next lecture. I hope you well understand my lecture. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel Prosperous Academy. Thank you and have a nice day.